day too soon, the rain will pour, all lights turn out, it's time to move away from here. You've traveled far and wide, but now the time has come.
Hello and welcome to this video about a Cambridge Audio CD-4. I really like Cambridge Audio, it's a great engineering, and shows that there's not much in there. The board far away from the transformer, Sanyo SF-91. The DAC is TDA-1305, used in many fine players, and as you can see here, JNW. That means John Westlake from Pink Triangle designed this player, and then he did many collaborations with Cambridge Audio. I got it with a complaint that wouldn't play past track number 2, and all I could find was those 2 bits of fluff in between the gears. I removed them and now it plays anything, you know. I can go to track say 11 and it travels a bit, it labors going there, but once it gets there it will play just fine. Oh, there you are. So that was the only thing wrong with it. I'll turn it down a bit. This is not very elaborate design, as you see, but it does everything that it needs to do, and it sounds fine. I can hear it even in my test system that it is a pretty damn good player. Also, look at the SPDIF output. I mean, that is as good as you're gonna get normally to get that output. This is a AccuFace DP-ATL territory or Sony X7 ESD, that kind of thing. I mean, this player, when I looked at Hi-Fi Shark, most expensive was about $250, the cheapest $30. Great little player, I reckon. I mean, it sounds great. I mean, not much in it, but it's a good pickup, you know, and I mean, it has a Sanyo Os-cons there. And these are not aftermarket, because I was the first one to broke the seals on the screws, so it's never been worked on. It's a pristine unit. I reckon it's pretty great for that kind of money. Very fast tray. It does take a second or two to read the table of contents, but then it plays fast. Well, that's all I can say about it. If you want a cheap player, you know, this is it. You probably cannot get better than that for little money. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.